Hello everybody, my name is Brett Pennyfeather, president of Eck Plastic Arts. I just want to take a quick minute to talk to you about the difference between prototype plastic injection molding and production plastic injection molding. There is a difference between the two. They're both great services, but they both have their place. We do both of them here, but just to talk a little bit about that. So, prototype injection molding, you are basically getting best efforts with your part. So there's not, I mean, they work very well to the CAD model. They come very close to the part, but it's not necessarily perfect, okay? And you're also going to find differences from lot to lot, and here's why. This here is essentially a setup for a prototype tool. This is called a mud frame. This frame goes in the mold, and it's interchangeable with the actual tool, the part that holds the cavities, right? So in there you have an ejector system, and then you also have the cavities where the parts go, or where we shoot the plastic into. Now, with this, you have limitations on where you can gate. With this, we're also constantly taking them in and out, so there's extra wear and tear. There's extra wear and tear over time as things go. There can be misalignment, right? On top of that, the quality procedures that go in place around that, they're not necessarily as robust and as strong as they are when you're doing production tooling. So this right here, because you only have to buy the frame, they often make them out of aluminum, they move quickly, you can get them fast. You can get them slightly cheaper in the tooling, but your piece price is usually significantly more expensive because they're harder to work with, and there's more risk around working with an aluminum or a prototype tool that's built this way. A production tool, however, with a production tool, you build a tool, you do full FAI, you build the print, you document your process. You get consistency from run to run to run. There's very, very little fallout. I mean, at Plastic Arts, we have 99.98% quality. Parts delivered, very, very little rejections. And that's because it's not a best effort. It's made to print. This here is a full production tool, all these here. You can see when you look at them. Down in here, you have a full ejector system that's built in. In here, the cavity blocks, these molds aren't open. We can show you in different shots. But this here, you can see all we have to do is hook up the ejection system to the outside, clamp it to the mold, line up the O-ring, and that's it. This tool right here, this hardened steel tool, will make millions and millions of parts, and we'll warranty to that for the lifetime. As long as it's here at Eck, we'll make sure that it continues to make great parts the entire time it's here. All you have to worry about is just placing POs and taking delivery.